We're public accountants. We are ready and capable to be able to be independent from our clients and be able to make the decisions that they need to have to be able to work in this kind of an environment. I call it the 4 no's of cannabis accounting. Here we go. Know thy client. Know thy regulatory environment. California, you're 6 months in, you don't know yet. Just kidding. No problem. Know thy tax code and thy tax position. But most importantly, you need to know thyself. That's you. How do you know your client? I do an initial consultation. We all do an initial consultation, never for free. Your time is valuable. You have specialized, or will have specialized knowledge in this area. These people need you, and they need to pay you. I have met the Miami Mafia. I have met the Cuban Mafia. I have met newlyweds that were absolutely convinced that 2 years of selling weed was going to buy them a house outright in cash. They're here, people. The time you spend now is going to be the time you save later. And it's going to be the time that you save not getting involved with a client that wants you to file them a fraudulent tax return. In order to be involved in business, you got to pay a pound of flesh. I do, you do. Taxes are the biggest expense we have in our business. Just don't pay a pound and a half. We want full absorption cost from people. It's back. It's boring. And it's how you help your clients the most. Ruthless control of expense is the will make it or break it on this industry. In cannabis, after I did not have an initial consultation with him, brought me 9 months of sales receipts in 3 clear 2-gallon plastic bags filled to the brim with sticky notes, undated. But each month was a different color. Until he ran out of colors and began to recycle them. I was the first person to call the Board of Accountancy in Oregon in 2012 and say, hey, I think I want to work with the cannabis business. What do you think? And they were like, we have no idea. Call your state society. And I called the state society. And they said, we have no idea. Call the AICPA. And so I called the AICPA and they said, we have good moral character. I was like, okay, well, I'm a CPA. I think I have to be a good moral character to get the license. And you will become an unintentional advocate for very good people. I have 500 hours into my tax position. I've been doing this since 2012. And I'll stand behind and go to court on any tax position I put down because that's our job. That's how we help bring legitimacy to this industry, is we bring our acronym to the tax, and we say, we stand next to these people. They're not just drug dealers, they're tax-paying citizens as well. Know thyself. This industry is not for everyone. It's not just a green rush that you can get into and get out of. It's complicated. It takes time. You can, in fact, lose your shorts on these clients, and you can, in fact, be charged for helping them file this tax return. Don't put yourself in that position. But this industry is in desperate need of qualified tax professionals. Qualified. It needs you to jump into the adventure and help navigate very deep and expensive, complicated tax waters for these folks. I'd like to see more tax professionals approach the industry professionally. We need to beat that tax code using the tax code. So I've learned a lot of valuable things working for the industry. I've learned a lot of valuable things about myself. Some of the things I've learned are that I'm capable of holding those boundaries. I am capable of having those difficult conversations. And I think as California has the right and the strength to be able to meet the federal government in court, in economics, in the marketplace, it's going to be able to be the big mover and purveyor in making change in this arena. Which is why I'm excited that California decided to join this, because it really adds so much strength and credence to this becoming a legit industry because California has blessed it.